dear black girl. And even if you're light skinned, you're still my brown girl. You're not just pretty for a dark girl. You know that.
Hey loves, it's Tyme The Infamous here, and welcome back to my channel, girl. Today we are doing blinged nails. Something went down at the nail shop and I walked out and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get my own stuff and I'll do it myself. We are doing bomb AF blinged out nails. Everything is from Amazon. This is what I'm most excited about. UV LED lamp. The inside is pink. It's so cute. I haven't even taken off my paper. Yay! I will have a list of every single thing down below that I have right here, but just very quickly I will go over it with you on what you need to get these nails. So these are called model tones. So they look like this. These are like the gel kind of polishes, glitter toppers that I usually use at the nail shop. Get a little closer for you guys. So there's opal, pink, gold, fuchsia, and purple. The nail builder glue. It comes in a pack of 4 and 2 brushes. Also bought my own brush, AB crystals, and these are the ones that you get in this pack. And then we have these gorgeous AB crystals, which you get 6 sizes of those as well. I also got these, which they use at my old nail salon, okay? So I know these are really good, so I got these. It comes with the base coat and top coat. I really highly recommend these. And this I got as well so that I can put my acetone in here if I need to clean up any of the glitter. Okay, so I went ahead and transferred all of those into my pill box. To be able to do this whatsoever, you have to have one of these Tanto tools, you guys. These are wax tip pencils that pick up the jewels. So first I'm just going to prep my nails with an alcohol pad, making sure nothing is on them. And I'm also going to be getting underneath because I now put glitter underneath my nails because I do a lot of like videos showing makeup unboxings and it just does not look good under your nails. So we're going to take our gelish foundation base. So you do want to have a base if you're using a gel product. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. So this first way with the glitter base, say that you don't have a lot of diamonds or you're on a budget, this base will make it look more like extra without having to do a ton of diamonds. It's going to cure those for 30 seconds. So now I'm just taking my glitter and my brush and I'm going to dip it in there and just get a little bit. Okay, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to cure this for a minute. Okay, you guys, so our nails are done there. Now we're going to take our nail builder glue soak off, UV, this crystal clear color. With this, you want to just apply a little at a time. So you don't want to put it on the whole nail because it'll dry fast. So I'm going to start with the large jewel. I'm just going to start down the center and just put a thin coat. Gonna set it here. Now the great thing about the resin versus the glue, the resin has to cure in the light. So you have time to kind of play around with it and kind of move it a little bit. It won't just stick right out of nowhere, which is really good. Continue going downwards. And if it's not sticking, then you want to put a little bit more. And as you can see, this glitter really helps your diamonds like blend in together. And I'm just going to keep going down the center here. Now I'm just going to take a couple right along the top, some of the smaller ones. Just putting some small ones just straight down in a straight line down the center. Okay, and I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is looking so good. Look at this. Now, I did forget to do one thing that you do not want to forget. You have to put some of the resin around it. So you just want to kind of make sure they're pushed up next to the diamonds so that they do not fall off, so that they are on there good and have some good support. Wow, and there's your first nail, you guys. So this is how you can do it on a budget with not a lot, and boom, look how blingy and pretty that is. I think I'm actually going to do the glitter base coat on all of them because it just kind of steps it up and makes it look like a complete diamond. First impression so far, this glitter is great. I'm loving this glitter and this brush. I'm so happy I bought this one. It is just making it like a breeze to glide on. It's not super sticky, it's not intimidating, it's not like, even using my left hand, I'm not having any problems. Okay, so while we're at it, I'm going to go ahead and put the base coat underneath my nail so that we can put our glitter here as well. And I'm just putting one very, very thin coat. And then of course, you put your hands in facing upwards. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do one layer underneath at the bottom. This is what we're looking like. Super pretty underneath, super pretty on top. Remember, we're just going to start with a little bit at a time. We're not going to cover the whole nail. We're just going to start at the top here. I need to cure this one.
Oh, dear black girl. And even if you're light skinned, you're still my brown girl. You're not just pretty for a dark girl. You know that you're more than enough for me. You know that you're more than enough for me.
Guys, so I have finished all of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa is all I can say. Now, it does take you a little bit of time to do all of them. So in the meantime, I got up. My pajamas have kind of fuzzies on them. So you can see right there, I have a few fuzzies. So I'm going to get a super wet cotton pad with some alcohol. Wipe these down a little bit so that, you know, they're all nice and clean before I put on the top coat. Okay, so to quickly finish off, we're just going to go in with our gelish Top It Off gel coat. And we are not going to go over the diamonds. You just want to go along the edges and anywhere where you did not have the diamonds. Or else if you do, you're going to create this like gel bubble over it and then it's not going to hit the light the same. Okay, so the last step, you guys, you just want to get a nail file, a really, really like dull, soft one, and just kind of sharpen the edges. I personally, after I get my nails done, I don't wash or wet my hands for at least an hour. And then I notice that my nails stay a lot more shiny. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Here is the final look on our blinged out nails. I am just shook at how it came out. Oh my gosh, every single product I absolutely loved. You guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and let me know if you'll be doing your blinged out nails at home. Until next time, you guys, I will see you later.